Remember, keep in mind with these shirts, most of them run a tiny bit small or more snug. So if you like a looser fitting shirt, I would recommend going up a size. Some of them are true to form, but most of them are a little bit more form fitting. So I would go up a size. They are first come, first served. Remember, this is May 29th, 2024, and I can only order 100 shirts at a time. So I have to wait until they nearly sell out before I order again. So if you like a particular color, I would order it right away. And if you really want a specific color after it's been a few months, you might want to email and ask me what colors I have left. So particularly after a conference, quite a few sell out. So you might want to inquire about what colors are left if it's been a few months since this date.